Hi everyone, this is Neha. So this video is about a difference between Shashankasana and Balasana. So these two postures are slightly different from each other, but in English generally we call it as child posture. But Shashankasana is also called as a rabbit posture and moon posture because Shashank also means moon and a rabbit both. Okay, so we'll see how to practice these two asanas. First we'll start with Shashankasana. For Shashankasana, you just have to sit in Vajrasana. Stand on your knee, toe pointing out. Okay, again in Vajrasana you generally keep your one toe on top of each other generally, but here you might not have to do that. You just have to keep your toe pointing out. You're going to keep your hip slowly down, shoulders relaxed. Lift your both the hands up straight. Inhale. While exhaling, you're going to drop your chest on the thigh and you're going to drop your head down on the floor. You're not going to keep your hands completely stiff as if like it's a stick. You can keep your hands slightly bent because it's a very relaxing posture. So try to keep it slightly bent and make sure that you're very comfortable here. As you are in a posture, you can feel that a lot of blood flow which is flowing towards your head, which will make you feel really relaxed, and this is amazing posture for a blood circulation for your hair, for your head, for your eyes, for your face. Okay, now in case if you are not able to drop your head down, some people have a bigger tummy and they find it difficult to reach the floor, or even otherwise because of your thighs flexibility or your hip joint flexibility, if you can't reach the floor, just a variation, keep a pillow. This is going to be much more relaxing. You're going to keep your hands down next to the pillow and you're going to drop your head down. Make sure that your eyes are closed so that you can feel whatever the blood flow which is moving inside, you can feel and experience that much more. Okay, this is about Shashankasana, again a child posture, which is also a rabbit posture. Now we are going to talk about Balasana, okay, which is very similar, and most of the time we use this posture to relax during the sequence of yoga or Surya Namaskara or anyways. So same thing, you don't really have to move your knee or the toe. You're going to sit in Vajrasana. You're going to keep your both the hands next to the toe. Okay, you're going to open up your chest. You're going to keep your hands next to the toe or the heel. Inhale. So pillow is option. If you want to have the pillow, you can keep the pillow. If not, don't keep the pillow. Now, while inhale, now while exhale, you're going to drop your chest down and you're going to drop your head down. You're going to open up, you're going to roll your shoulder towards the floor and you drop your head down. Inhale, come up. So when you're closer to the floor, make sure that you try to get yourself as comfortable as possible. You're going to drop your whole body weight down to the floor. So there is only one difference. You're going to keep your hands straight in Shashankasana and you're going to keep your hands next to the toe in Balasana. Both the postures are very good, but if you have a hypertension, oh sorry, not hypertension, if you have a high BP, then try to avoid this posture a little, because as there's a lot of blood rushes to the head, it might not be very helpful. Or if you still want to practice, it just makes you feel amazing. If you want to experience that, use one or two pillows where you don't drop your head down completely and there is a lot of blood flow. So the blood flow is going to be limited. This completely relaxing posture can be amazing for your anxiety, for your spine, for your lower body, because you're going to sit on your hips, you're going to sit on your ankle. So it stretches your ankle, it stretches your knee. If you have any knee surgery done, if you have any knee problem, then avoid this posture. Otherwise, you can practice this and see how amazing you feel. So start practicing. If you have any doubts, drop it in the comment box. Thank you so much.